It's a video of the tree, so I'll show you the whole thing. It's done that damage. And Charlie and I put this piece of concrete right here in, and that one right there, and it's falling apart. It's lifting the driveway quite a bit up here. And as you can see, my driveway already has quite a slope to it. So it needs to be gone.